This video is brought to you by Millennium, the best of the 2000s throwback party. Come party with me, Chaddy on the night of my birthday. That's November the 19th in Port Antonio, Portland. Music by Cashflow Rings, CD Master Biggs, and C-Matic from outer St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. People, it's gonna be an epic night at Millennium, the best of the 2000s.
Yeah, Chaddy, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
Me say we out here stacking dineros. Big T, funny line, richer than Pharaoh. What this one? Psycho Bunny and a Air Force same gal. I say me fresher than Mentos.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People walk on. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If at the first time you check out the Chaddy TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. Now people, in this video, Jashi Entourage box down an artist up at St. Thomas. Right at Popcorn after school treat. Cha-cha. We are going to talk about that. But before we really go into all of the topics, because we are going to talk about that and other topics, you know. But we just want to talk about the artist here when named Kraff and the song here when named Dinero. Well, not this song alone. But that song here, Chaddy TV, I call the artist here. I call the artist here for be the next giant in a dance hall. You see me? I not tell a lie. He might go on with that thing. And not because Chaddy TV forward and say, yo, the artist here going to be the next giant in a dance hall. No, I have proof. I have proof for sure you say, yo, the artists are bad. But we are going to vibe to some of them tracks them first. Including this one, which is one of my favorite, entitled Dinero.
Not too sure about heaven, but me know about hell. I feel well alone when it's squaddy like he sell. Touch back a road, jump on the line again. Me I go for the food like me hear the bell. You have to charge up your banger, skull on the line, dog, use up your grammar. Murder. You have to charge up your banger, send it to sell like gram, me no matter. Voodoo chop, voodoo chop, charge up your laptop, press one button, couple millions that.
This clip was from Enigma White Sands in Port Antonio last week. And look how Kraff song deal with the place. And if that clip is not convincing enough, then check out this clip in St. Anna when Kraff perform.
Years and decades, months, years and decades, months, years and decades. That is beautiful.
Yes, man. What you think you hear? You hear. Do we other person that feel the performance? Him have to just dip on the side of him waist and pop out the machine and just race off couple in the air. A long time I don't see a DJ or a selector. A matter of fact, just a long time I don't see them thing there in a party. Gun salute. You see me? And you know we not preach the violence, but we can't go around it. The artist bad. So people want to go check out the artist there. Artist goes by the name Kraff. I remember what I tell you, you know, from Chaddy say a artist I go far, a artist I go far. Just look out on the two here. Now we are going left from one artist who me definitely know say I go far in this dancehall music to our next artist where him nah go nowhere if him keep up this same attitude. I mean I want nobody in the comment section say, but Chaddy, You can't talk down to the artists and rare people. I just a spit facts. And y'all go understand what I mean in a few. Zine. So Joshy attended Popcorn after school treat. I'm not telling a lie. For the clip when I see, it was definitely a good look. Joshy perform and I do him thing. Zine, I'm going to show you some highlights of the performance. Because I am not one vlogger to vlog the negative and don't talk about the positive.
We're the future. Every day that you life and baby. Emotional love and baby. When you're looking at the fire, sit at the fire. Because we know that the years are pure like this time. And I'm ready to ride to the valley right down here. But then the
So Joshy, I perform and I do him thing. You see me? As on the scene of the video, all the rain start fall and Joshy I say, yo, no, don't run from the rain. You see me? Jaja fall rain. He might get a nice performance, nice energy and everything. Now here come this Krass's idiot, man. Before I go to the Krass's idiot artist, I must mention Joshy, I take it out of theme time. You see me? I take it out of theme performance time. For bust some no-name artists. I don't know if these artists forward with Joshy entourage or are just some artists from St. Thomas. You know that's something they go. Stage show there, enough artists there. Probably Joshy all know a couple of them. So Joshy make the artists perform. And him a go on good and I do him thing. People, if that is a prominent dancehall artist, me I beg you to please just decently correct me in the comment section. But me I tell you the truth, me no know the artist and me no know the song. But obviously, the people, them know the artist and them know the song. Cause them a sing it. See, said the energy right, the energy nice. Here come this big idiot full artist.
Listen, watch out now. Listen, yeah, Bubba, with a listen. Know why some people need an update or a reminder. They feel for the person.
So I see what go on there so. Joshy give this no-name artist a chance in our lifetime to perform amongst him because everybody a whole of vibes. People remember, this is at Popcorn after school treat. You know Popcorn guy already. I'm not gonna say back to school treat. So I'm say after school treat. So a really a kids treat. And you go on for the people them stage from borrow time. Borrow time, you know, cause it's a blind them give. And the first thing I gonna do, I gonna cuss bad word. So Joshy, I try to reach back for the talkaphone, if take it from him, for probably kindly, you know, put him off a stage at the extent we are probably. I don't know where Joshy did go there, but I know that Joshy never did go make him stay up on stage or even get back the talkaphone for say nothing else. The man a hold on the talkaphone like him no one take it away. So Joshy entourage him just shove him off a stage.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
People may not tell a lie. It's not a laughing or a joking matter. But yo, the dog get a healthy box. So me say dog get a healthy box. The box they full of protein and nutrients. Yo, the man get a hard box. The box where the brother get, it fly him right off a stage. Radam! And fun and joke aside, you can't even blame the entourage member. And this is why you can't blame the entourage member. People, you see, if you watch the full video of what actually took place, you can see multiple times the artists are go up for DJ. First time him forward up for DJ, him cuss bad word, them take away mic from him. About 3 other time, different from that time there, him try go up on stage again for DJ, and like the entourage member, them a body him and take him down and stuff like that. You see me? So you know say you have to just stay in your corner from you make the first bad word from him do that something there. You have to just say, yo, here what, alright, that show ya, me just have a pass on that show ya. You still a force to go back on stage. So you just get rid of them. So last point what me I gonna make on this topic, me see one of my fellow co-worker them, Teff Entertainment. And me I telling the people, when you hear me talk this multiple times, Teff Entertainment are one of the vloggers them out here where me really admire him work and me really rate how Teff do him thing and do him report them. However, me see him do a review on the story here and him title it and say Joshy wrong. Now, when me watch the video, me totally understand what he must say. He must say, yo, 2 wrongs don't make a right. Basically, that he must say. And you can go on over there, go watch it for yourself and interpret it how you want to interpret it. But that's how me see it. So basically, he must say the artist definitely wrong to go up on stage with a bag of kids, you know, kids fest, kids street, and go cuss bad word. But what if basically I say is 2 wrongs don't make a right, because that is a kid street and yeah, the artist do something wrong. But also, he must say Joshy entourage member them did something wrong by give the artist that healthy box there. They must say 2 wrongs don't make a right. But for me still Teff, yo dog, I feel like say the artist should have even get 2 more. And this we even sure kids say them nothing act out of character. Some would necessarily look at it at a violence, from a violent standpoint, but would more look at it from a standpoint where him do something bad and that are the consequences. Anyway, not true, my name Chaddy Murray. That no say me can't wrong. So leave your thoughts and opinion in the comment section below, because I definitely wanna get your thoughts and opinion about this topic. Some say Joshy wrong or Joshy entourage them wrong. And me I say, yo, him shouldn't get a next one on the next side. Radam! Anyway, if you want to watch that full video of the incident, head on over to Peanut Flix Network and a link will definitely be provided in the comment section. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about these topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. Oh God.
Big chop, laptop, hot cash, big stocks, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Brad, whips, long guns.